Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, finally summers are here and it is scorching hot outside. Like you cannot pass a day without a nice summer drink, and I absolutely love cold coffee, so I had to share a cold coffee recipe with you guys. But this is not the usual cold coffee. This is the Spanish iced latte. Yes guys, if you are a person who loves iced latte, then you are definitely gonna like this recipe. I prepared this Spanish iced latte at home very easily, so you can prepare this at your home as well and enjoy it during summers. You can also serve it to your guests and they are gonna love it too. So if you want to know how to make Spanish iced latte at home very easily, then please keep on watching the video till the end.
For the recipe of Spanish iced latte, take about 100 ml of warm water and add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder into it. Give it a nice mix until the coffee is completely dissolved. Now pour this coffee mixture in the ice tray and refrigerate it for overnight to get nice coffee cubes. Now in a glass, take some warm milk. Remember, the milk shouldn't be hot, it should be just lukewarm. To this, add about 1 tablespoon of condensed milk and give it a nice mix. In a glass, add 4 to 5 coffee ice cubes that we prepared earlier. And then add the milk with condensed milk over these ice cubes. And our Spanish iced latte is ready.
So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. ये recipe आपको कैसी लगी? Do let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know if you would want me to make more such recipes, and I would love to share it with you guys. You can also leave down your recipe suggestions if you have any. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.